Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox blocked account. To know how to fix or to solve any this problem blocked account on Roblox, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Then you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a minute and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.